Hi friends, thanks for joining in. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to create this beautiful background effect. It's a mixed media effect. For that I have taken 6 by 6 inches chipboard. Actually making this album, so I have taken 6 pieces of chipboards and their size is 6 by 6. Now for the base I'm covering the black chipboard with black gesso. This is the first step in any mixed media to cover the base with primer, so I've taken a gesso. Now the next step is to do the dry brushing technique. All you have to take is paint on the brush with very little water and paint it. Let it dry. And now I'm using sanding paper and sanding it here and there, removing that excess gesso from the chipboard. Once you're satisfied with the effect, use unicorn paste from Finnabair. It's a paste with glitter and the effect is amazing. So I'm applying a single layer of unicorn paste and let it dry. And as you can see, I hope you can see, a little glitter is visible right at the base. That's because of the unicorn paste I've used, and it's a very simple tutorial, very easy to do, and the effect is great. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And here is a glimpse of some pages from the album which I've created with the strong title to it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial.